Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 best women football players of 2023. Women's football is the single biggest growth opportunity in football today, and it remains a top priority for FIFA. Although the game has grown exponentially at all levels, the passion and rising popularity of the sport offers vast untapped potential. FIFA is investing in dedicated funding, human resources, and innovative tailor-made development programs to bring women's football into the mainstream, where it belongs. Here are 7 best women football players in the world. Number 7. Alexandra Popp. Alexandra Popp crucially and heartbreakingly missed out on playing in the Euros final against England, being denied the opportunity to score the winning goal and get her hands on a European medal. Despite this, Popp, with over 60 goals for Germany so far, is a great of the game and one of the most clinical and impressive finishers, being integral to Germany's dominance over the past 13 years of her international career. She has found new form in recent months, still being as invaluable as ever at club level for Wolfsburg, and therefore cements her place on the top 7 list. Number 6. Keira Walsh. Keira Walsh, who has become England's most valuable player and the most expensive female footballer to date following her move from Manchester City to Barcelona. Being awarded player of the match, the midfielder has been categorically underappreciated in recent years. However, after a stellar 12 months, she has shot to the top of everyone's list due to the incredible skill and vision at the Euros that culminated in her assist of the opening goal of the final. She could not be left off this list. Number 5. Lena Oberdorf. Lena Oberdorf, frankly outstanding performance for Germany last summer, has made her a household name in women's football and why she is 5th on this list. At just 21, it is pretty frightening how good the Euros young player of the tournament is at such a fresh age. She has already established herself as one of the best midfielders around. She has never shy away from a tackle, making her defensive ability known. Number 4. Aitana Bonmati. This has been the year for the midfielders, with a third midfield player taking the number 4 spot. Aitana Bonmati is exceptional when it comes to vision, pace, and controlling the trajectory of a game. The Spaniard is entering her peak years and has become one of the most talked about players over the last 6 months following an emphatic season with Barcelona. A tenacious bowler and one that seemingly creates chances out of nothing, Bonmati is set to hold down a place as one of the best footballers of all time for years to come and will be a shoe-in for one of football's most significant accolades, the Ballon d'Or, in a few months after finishing 5th last campaign. Number 3. Sam Kerr. Entering top 3 territory, Sam Kerr takes 3rd place, the Chelsea striker being infamous among the women's game. Whilst she may not have been the WSL's top goal scorer or winner of the Golden Boot, Kerr's dominance in front of goal is exceptional and one that earns her a place among the best of the best, consistently showing up for club and country. Kerr's confidence in front of goal, aerial threat, and leadership has helped guide Chelsea to their 4th consecutive WSL title and will no doubt be doing the same for her home nation Australia during the 2023 World Cup campaign on home soil. Number 2. Beth Mead. An ACL injury disrupted the best year of her career for Euros Golden Boot winner Beth Mead. The Arsenal forward is a certainty regarding the best players throughout the Euros and 22-23 season. Mead took center stage at the Summer Triumph and played one of the most integral roles in the Lionesses securing their win. In the 3 months of last season that she did play, Mead had continued her form, assisting and netting goals before the dreaded ACL injury halted her influence over the WSL. Number 1. Alexia Putellas. Taking the number 1 spot is 2-time Ballon d'Or winner, Champions League winning skipper La Reina Alexia Putellas. Despite missing out on the Euros and suffering an ACL injury on the eve of the tournament, the 18 months being considered for this list means Putellas still tops the rankings. She is one of the most clinical finishers in the game, finishing the 21-22 domestic season as the top goal scorer with 18 goals and 15 assists, and returned to Barcelona's pitch in time for the end of the 22-23 season and earned minutes during the emphatic Champions League final that saw the trophy returned to the Catalans after a 4-2 victory. As one of the greats for her generation, undoubtedly tops the list.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.